Hello and welcome. We're gonna go to this peak here, see how we are on range, and then maybe we'll go a little bit farther. Before we went here, it's more than 200 meters, smartass, but whatever. All right, let's get it. Let's go get some. I gotta make sure I'm facing the right direction. Make sure you're standing in the right direction. Rule number one. So again, like last time we followed the road, we already know we got reception that way. Let's just follow some of these trails. You know what I mean? Look at the view. We're just gonna cruise. We can do tricks. You know, but we're just cruising. This is not a huge battery, so we gotta be real careful here. Real careful. Hit the OSD. See, we're fine. It's about half the battery. Just cruising. Yep. If anything, we can land on the road. I can still hear it from here because the wind's. I'm going into the wind now. That's another thing too is, don't go into the wind on your way back. And I got a video of me doing that the other day. It just wasn't good. I just pretty much just killed my battery. We're just gonna cruise. Okay, we're at 100, we're fine. And this is the top of the peak that we were pointing at earlier. So free roam or sandbox style FPV is to get some distance between you and where you're standing. Just kind of go look at stuff, you know? Whew. It's really windy. This is hard to control. You know what I'm saying? Hard to control. You can kind of just cruise back if you want. Nothing crazy. Whew. Oh, look at the voltage. So now we're going with the wind. We already know we can fly here, so I'm just gonna keep it close to max volts. This might be a problem. See, we're not in a danger zone yet. We can get it down a little bit lower, but I'm trying to cruise and I'm already below the 3.5, but we're all right. We got 20 volts still. By the time we get back up here, it's gonna be low. All week, I've just been running batteries to the freaking ground, working on projects that have to do with getting some range. I've always liked flying like this. Look at my battery says fully dead. So I'm getting close to the road just in case I gotta land it. Well, let's see what happens. See if we can get it here. Oh my gosh, look at the voltage. Scrub off some speed. Get a little bit closer. Look at it. Woo! 310! That's what I'm talking about. Nice, 21,899. Well, we went there. We did it. I don't want to hear no complaining about where we're flying. This is some free roam stuff. I don't want to hear no complaining about us flying. We flew over to those rocks. We just caressed this mountain. We did a little bog rider challenge, and it is Friday, and I have to go edit this shit now.